Okay, we have a little theme for our challenges. You're getting videos. The challenge word number 2 is mistakes. Okay, so we believe that mistakes grow your brain, and we use mistakes as a jump off point um, for more learning. And in class, we do a lot of remediation and a lot of work and a lot of learning from mistakes. So I think these are valued. So it's our challenge word for number 2. What you see in front of you here is if a student receives a score of less than 70% on any assessment, this will get sent home. And you'll also be getting this year not only be able to check grades on the student portal online, but you'll also be getting a text from me that says your student received a 70% or lower and the title of the assessment. And then hopefully I'll be using this space to send some kind of helpful resource. It could be a page that I attach that is also in the take-home folder. It could be a video that you're watching, a link. It could be me showing an actual picture of a question that I want to talk about and work. Excuse me. So it looks like this, and students will get some training on this, but you just basically have to help them here. Put the title of the assessment. What was the resource that was included? Was the resource helpful? What do you think about it being helpful? You could also have the student tell you, and you could both vote. And then this space here, which students will be trained on, is what did they learn from this practice? Reflecting on some of their thinking. And again, students will receive some training. And this section here may be edited a little bit, or some guiding sentences in each box for what students are doing from home to be prepared for some reteaching when they come back into class, to be prepared to have a little bit more knowledge from a mistake that we're going to try to remedy when they come into class the next day. So hopefully Remind will give us the power to do that, for me to send home extra resources attached to specifically to the scores less than 70%, or at other times just individual questions that we're working on in class that we might have struggled with. So your challenge word number 2 is mistakes. Thanks for being a part of the Remind Challenge, and your challenge code word number 2 is mistakes. Thanks.